Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines, the Swatch Mini Portable Washing Machine and the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer. In today's video, we will delve into their unique features, performance capabilities, and overall value for travelers and those with limited space. Let's find out which one reigns supreme in the world of compact laundry solutions. The Swatch Mini Portable Washing Machine stands out with its ultra-foldable design, making it incredibly lightweight at just 3.37 pounds, perfect for travel. In contrast, the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer, while heavier at 14 pounds, offers a more robust build and a semi-automatic operation. This difference in design makes the Swatch ideal for those who prioritize portability, while the Elevon caters to users looking for a sturdier option. When it comes to capacity, the Swatch Mini Portable Washing Machine can handle up to 11 liters, making it suitable for small loads like socks and delicates. On the other hand, the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer has a capacity of 5.5 pounds, which allows it to manage slightly larger loads. Additionally, the Elevon features a dedicated dehydration function, making it a versatile two-in-one solution for users who need both washing and drying capabilities. The Swatch Mini Portable Washing Machine features a modern touchscreen interface, providing a user-friendly experience for setting wash cycles. In contrast, the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer utilizes a traditional rotating timer knob, which may appeal to users looking for simplicity and reliability. Both machines offer intuitive controls, but the choice between modern tech and classic simplicity depends on personal preference. In conclusion, both the Swatch Mini Portable Washing Machine and the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer have their unique strengths. The Swatch excels in portability and modern design, while the Elevon offers a robust two-in-one functionality. Depending on your specific needs, whether it's travel convenience or a more comprehensive laundry solution, either option could be the right fit for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.